locked out of your Instagram because of a pesky selfie verification error. Don't panic. I'm about to show you exactly how to fix it and get back online. First, let's make sure the obvious is covered. Completely close the Instagram app, swipe it away from your recently used apps to ensure it's fully shut down. Not just running in the background then. Reopen the app and try the selfie verification process again sometimes. That's all it takes. Still no luck. Next, we need to clear the app's cache. Head to your phone's settings. Then find Apps or Application Manager, locate Instagram in the list. Tap on it, and then select Storage. You should see buttons to clear cache and clear data. Tap Clear Cache. First, this removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. Try the verification again. If clearing the cache didn't work, you can also try Clear Data. But be warned, this will reset the app and log you out, so you'll need to remember your login details again. Try the verification. If the issue persists, your Instagram app might be outdated. Go to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you're on iOS, and search for Instagram if there's an Update button. Tap it to install the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause verification errors. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation of the latest version, which can often resolve stubborn errors. Hopefully, one of these steps has fixed the selfie verification error and you're back in your account. If you're still having trouble after trying these methods, you'll need to contact Instagram support directly. Good luck getting back online.